Cleaning a refrigerator is easier than you think. First, empty it out. Yes, that means tossing expired items and leftovers that have seen better days. Next, grab a mixture of warm water and baking soda. It's a natural deodorizer and cleaner. Wipe down all the shelves and drawers, and don't forget the door seals. Those can get grimy. For stubborn stains, a little vinegar works wonders. Once everything's clean, dry it off and put your food back in, organizing by category. Fresh and tidy, your fridge will not only look great, but also keep your food fresher longer.